Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 9 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 66 on trigonometry. Let us see the first question. If theta lies between 180 degrees and 270 degrees, means theta is in quadrant number 3, third quadrant. Cot theta is 4 by 3. Cot theta is positive. Certainly yes, because if theta is in quadrant 3, cot is positive. So 4 by 3 we have. Then what is the value of sin theta by 2? Fine. Now we are given theta belongs to quadrant 3. Next, cot theta is 4 by 3. So if you take the right triangle 4 and 3, so hypotenuse will be 5. So using this we can find out cos theta. Therefore cos theta I can get as, what is cos theta for us? Cos theta is, first according to the triangle it is 4 upon 5 adjacent by hypotenuse, but theta is in quadrant 3. In quadrant 3 cos is negative, so it is minus 4 by 5. So cos theta value is minus 4 by 5. So this is very important. You based on theta we have given the sin. Fine. Now what is sin theta by 2 for us? Sin theta by 2 is going to be, if at all you take theta by 2, theta by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees less than theta by 2 less than 135 degrees. Theta by 2 is in which quadrant? Quadrant 2. Here we have to see. Theta by 2 belongs to quadrant 2. If quadrant 2, sin theta by 2 is positive there. So we have plus root over 1 minus cos theta by 2. Okay? As theta by 2 is in quadrant 2, sin theta by 2 is positive, plus root over 1 minus cos theta by 2 we have to take. That is otherwise root over 1, cos theta is minus 4 by 5. So plus 4 by 5 by 2. Let's simplify this. 5 plus 4, that is 9 upon 10. So root 9 by 10 is nothing but 3 by root 10. The value of sin theta by 2 is how much? 3 by root 10. 3 by root 10 is nothing but first option. Here there are some important factors that are to be noted. If theta is given in this interval, theta is quadrant 3. In quadrant 3, cot is of course positive, but cos will be negative in quadrant 3. This is what we have to observe. Next, theta by 2 is in quadrant 2 because theta by 2 means 90 degrees less than or equal to theta by 2 less than or equal to 135 degrees. So theta by 2 is in quadrant 2. In quadrant 2, sin theta by 2 is sin is positive. So plus you have to take here. Okay? Root over 1 minus cos theta by 2. This is anyway formula to find out sin theta by 2. So root over 1 cos theta by cos theta is minus 4 by 5. So minus of minus becomes plus. Simplify that. We got the answer as 3 by root 10. Now let us see the next question. Here also he is saying that 180 degrees is less than theta less than 270 degrees. Here also theta is in third quadrant. Cos theta is minus 2 by 3. What is tan theta by 2? So if at all I take theta, 180 degrees is less than theta is less than 270 degrees. It implies 90 degrees is less than theta by 2 less than 135 degrees. Okay, so theta is in quadrant 3, theta by 2 in second quadrant. Of course, cos theta value is given as minus 2 by 3, that is okay. Now what is he asking? Tan theta by 2. According to the formula, tan theta by 2 is given as plus or minus under root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Plus or minus under root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. But plus or minus, which one we have to choose here? In this case, theta by 2 is in second quadrant. Tan is negative in second quadrant, so minus only we have to choose. Minus root over 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So for sign purpose, this is useful. Is it clear? That is equal to minus root over 1 minus cos theta is nothing but 1 plus 2 by 3 by here 1 minus 2 by 3. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So minus under root of 3 plus 2, that is 5 by 1, that's all. So minus root 5 is the answer for tan theta by 2. Minus root 5 is nothing but second option for us. Now let us see the next question. Again 180 degrees is less than theta is less than 270 degrees. Again theta is in quadrant 3. Sin theta is minus 3 by 5, of course that is true. What is cos theta by 2? Here also what to do? 180 degrees is less than, theta is less than 270 degrees. It implies 90 degrees is less than, theta by 2 is less than 133 degrees. Okay, so here theta is in quadrant 3, here theta 2 is in quadrant 2. That is what we have to understand. Sin is also negative there, it is fine. What is cos theta by 2? What I am trying to do is, Sin theta is given as minus 3 by 5. Let me take a right triangle. Okay, this is 3 and this is 5. Don't consider the sign. Sign is only giving an idea that theta is not in first or second quadrants. That's all. So theta by 4 means it is 4. So here we'll get cos theta value as, in terms of triangle it is 4 by 5, but theta is in quadrant 3. So here also cos theta will become minus 4 by 5. So sin theta is negative and cos theta is negative in third quadrant. So cos theta we have to take as minus 4 by 5. Now what do you need now? Cos theta by 2. According to formula it is under root of, plus or minus under root of. But plus or minus, which one you have to take? Theta by 2 is in quadrant 2. So it is certainly minus. Cos is also not there in second quadrant. So minus you get minus 1 plus cos theta. That is 1 minus 4 by 5 by 2. If I simplify that, that is minus root over 5 minus 4. That is 1 by 10. So that is minus 1 by root 10. That is nothing but first option for us. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Here also 180 degrees is less than, theta is less than 270. All the cases are such a way that theta is in quadrant 3 only. 180 degrees is less than, theta less than 270 degrees. It implies, what do you have? 90 degrees is less than, theta by 2 is less than 135 degrees. Here also I can take, this is in quadrant 3, this is in quadrant 2. Now sin theta is minus 4 by 5. Sin theta is minus 4 by 5. So if you take the right triangle, this is 4 and this is 5. So this will be 3, this side will be 3, Pythagorean triplet. Then cos theta will become minus 3 upon 5. Why minus 3 upon 5? Because theta is in quadrant 3, sin cos both are negative. Now, what do you need now? Tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2. Either plus or minus. Tan theta by 2. Theta by 2 is in quadrant 2. So tan is negative there. So minus root over 1 minus cos theta. That is 1 plus 3 by 5 by 1 minus 3 by 5. That is going to be minus root over 5 plus 3, that is 8 by, here 5 minus 3, that is 2. So the answer is minus root 2. Minus root 2 is nothing but, okay, sorry, minus 4. So this is minus 2. Minus 2 is nothing but fourth option for us. Okay, because root over 8 by 2 means 4, no? Root over 4 is 2. So minus 2 is the answer for this. Now let us see the next question. If 90 degrees is less than, a less than 180 degrees, okay, sin a is 24 by 25, then what is cos a by 2? Very nice. 90 degrees is less than, a is less than 180 degrees. It means a is in quadrant 2. Quadrant 2. Now what do you need now? A by 2 means 45 degrees is less than, a by 2 is less than 90 degrees. So this angle is in quadrant 1. A by 2 is in quadrant 1. Now we are given sin a as 24 by 25. Let us take the triangle. This is a, this is 24 and 25. This length will be 7. Pythagorean triplet, right? Now, what is cos a? Cos a, according to triangle, it is 7 by 25. Is it plus or minus? We can decide based on a quadrant. A is in second quadrant, so cos is negative there. So definitely it is minus 7 by 25. Cos a is minus 7 by 25. Now what do you need now? Cos a by 2 under root of 1 plus cos 2a, 1 plus cos a by 2. Under root, plus or minus under root in fact. But a by 2 is in first quadrant, cos is plus, so simply it is 1 plus cos a, that is 1 minus 7 by 25 by 2. That is under root of 25 minus 7, that is, okay, how much is that? 18 by 2 into 25. So this is 9 times. So that is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is answer for this. That is nothing but second option for us. Fine. Last question, if you see, 630 degrees is less than, a less than 720 degrees. Where do a lies? 630 degrees less than, a less than 720 degrees. 720 is a multiple of 360. Fine. So definitely it lies in quadrant number 3. Sorry, quadrant number 4. A is in quadrant number 4. If a is in quadrant number 4 and a by 2 he is asking, a by 2 means how much? 350 degrees is less than, a by 2 is less than 360 degrees. This is also in quadrant 4. Both are in quadrant 4. This angle as well as this angle, both are in quadrant 4. Now, mod tan A is given as 12 by 5. It implies tan A can be taken as, A is the angle in quadrant 4, tan is negative there, so minus 12 by 5 only. Tan A is minus 12 by 5. Now what is he asking? Tan A by 2 he is asking. Okay. So tan A by 2, for that let me find out cos A here. Cos A is equal to tan A is this using triangle concept. This is 12 and 5. So this is nothing but 13. Okay. Tan A is according to triangle, the hypotenuse becomes 13. So if it is 13, cos A is 5 upon 13. Is it plus or minus? A means important 4. So this is positive. Cos A is positive. So cos A is 5 by 13 only. Therefore tan A by 2 is given as. Again A by 2 is important 4. So you get minus root over 1 minus cos A. 1 minus 5 by 13 by 1 plus cos A. 1 plus 5 by 13. That is to be simplified, minus root over 13 minus 5. That is 8 by 13 plus 5. That is 18. That is 4 times and 9 times. So that is nothing but minus 2 upon 3. Minus 2 upon 3 is nothing but third of this. So that is the right answer. Okay. So throughout these problems, if you see, you must be able to identify the angle, in which quadrant the angle lies. Based on that, we can identify whether the trigonometric ratio is positive or negative. Okay. So that's the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.